Hello and welcome back to Off Grid Style. I'm Nikki and I'm glad to have you here. Today we're discussing sheltering in place if shit hits the fan. If SHTF. Definitely something that you want to consider because a lot of people want to think about bugging in versus bugging out. And obviously, if the conditions are right, bugging in would be the ideal thing because you have everything around you that you need. So let's look at what it means to shelter in place and what you need to have and what you need to do in order to make sure that sheltering in place is the right option for you. Let's get started. Ensuring survival in times of crisis. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The concept of shelter in place takes on a whole new level of importance in situations characterized by disaster or crisis, often referred to as SHTF scenarios. Whether it's a natural disaster, civil unrest, or any event that disrupts society, knowing how to shelter in place effectively is essential for ensuring your survival and the safety of your loved ones. We will explore the key principles and strategies for sheltering in place during an SHTF scenario. Understanding the concept of shelter in place. Sheltering in place means staying inside your home or a secure location to protect yourself from external threats or hazards. It is a strategy designed to minimize exposure to danger and maximize your chances of survival. Here are some crucial aspects to consider. Keep abreast of the situation by monitoring news and emergency broadcasts via battery-operated radios or other reliable sources of information. Stockpile essential supplies such as food, water, medications, and first aid kits in advance to sustain you and your family for an extended period. Fortify your residence by reinforcing doors and windows, and consider having security measures in place, such as locks, alarms, and surveillance cameras. Supplies you'll need for sheltering in place. Having the right supplies is paramount to your survival when sheltering in place. Consider the following. Store at least 1 gallon of water per person per day for drinking and sanitation purposes. Non-perishable food items like canned goods, dried fruits, and grains should be part of your emergency supplies. Be sure you have an adequate supply of prescription medications and over-the-counter essentials. Stock a comprehensive first aid kit that includes bandages, antiseptics, scissors, and any necessary prescription medications. Battery-powered or solar-powered flashlights and lanterns are essential for visibility during power outages. A battery-operated or hand-crank emergency radio can help you stay informed about the situation outside. Maintaining security. During an SHTF scenario, maintaining security within your shelter is vital. Keep a low profile and avoid drawing attention to your location. Use curtains or blinds to block visibility from the outside. If you have firearms, ensure they are stored securely and handled responsibly. Having a means to defend yourself may be necessary, but it should be used as a last resort. Establish a communication plan with your family or group using agreed-upon codes or signals. Keep watch over your surroundings and report any suspicious activity to local authorities if possible. Sanitation and hygiene. Maintaining sanitation and hygiene is crucial to prevent illness. If your plumbing isn't working, have a plan for sanitation, such as a portable toilet or designated waste disposal area. Regularly wash your hands with soap and water, or use hand sanitizer if water is scarce. Dispose of waste properly to prevent contamination. Use trash bags and seal them tightly. Mental and emotional well-being. Coping with the stress and uncertainty of an SHTF scenario is challenging. Encourage a sense of calm and rationality among your family or group members. Have books, games, or other forms of entertainment to help pass the time and reduce anxiety. Regularly check on the mental and emotional well-being of those sheltering with you. Sheltering in place during an SHTF scenario demands preparation, vigilance, and adaptability. By understanding the concept, stocking essential supplies, ensuring security, maintaining sanitation and hygiene, and prioritizing mental and emotional well-being, you can significantly increase your chances of surviving and thriving in challenging times. Remember, while it's essential to be prepared, cooperation and a sense of community can also play a critical role in your survival strategy. All right, well, I hope you found this definitely some interesting information here and you found this to be educational. If you have any suggestions, comments, ideas that you would do differently or additionally, please share them with me. I love hearing from you. Speaking of that, please like, subscribe, comment. This pushes our video up in YouTube's algorithm and gets it out there to more people, and that way more people get to meet me and say hello, which I always love. So thanks very much. Have a great day.